said.
Video.
Okay. Yeah, you have enough room. You have enough room. You have. You can do it.
You should be using that strap
I know.
in case you drop it. But if you drop it right now, then it won't come off.
That's true.
But if you drop it like this, it will come off.
Ooh. I didn't do that. Do you want to go flip on the floor?